What's going on, everybody? Mac Daddy here. Been trying to figure out the best way to make a video on this particular issue I found. But I was diagnosing a 2015 Mack GU with a L9 Cummins last week for a issue with the def heater lines. And it took me a good bit of diag and just about kicked my ass. But I figured it out. There's a normal or a common issue that I have found on these particular trucks, and it's where the def relay box mounts. The harness that goes from it runs through the chassis harness down to the Cummins ECM. And there's a common area in that chassis harness that loves to rub, and it will tend to always rub on the def heater wires. Specifically, the last 4 or 5 trucks I've done over here, def heater relay number 3. And I've made multiple repairs. It's become quite a common occurrence. Well, I checked the wires in that particular area. The wires aren't rubbed through. I do my protective measures, put everything back together, and told them, yeah, it's not the problem there. Put your new lines on. Truck runs for an entire day after that, and then it comes back with the same light, same codes. So I started doing some digging, and I spent a full day going through tracking this issue down. And you want to know what I found? I thought it was a loose pin because there was loose pin fitment at the ECM. Nope. You see that? This is the supply pin in the relay box on that granite, in the connector, in the secondary lock, underneath the weather seal inside the insulation. It was literally holding on by one wire. Resistance test initially showed good, but the more I messed with the harness, that resistance started fluctuating. And I even tried breaking out Chuck's load cage. Couldn't get it to work. So that told me I had an issue with the wire. Got to messing. I popped this one out and I just started twisting because pulling on it wasn't doing anything. I started twisting and it popped right off. So just do yourself a favor and watch out, because it looks like it's cut, but it wasn't cut. It was literally just the way the wire was routed in the connector, sitting there vibrating just like this, and it broke all of them except for one strand of that wire. Do your due diligence, folks, when you're doing electrical diag, because sometimes something like this will eat your lunch. Mac Daddy out.